Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello and welcome friends, this is MK. Welcome back again to my organization. Today I'm going to show you the very beautiful smartphone Note 5 AI, Xiaomi Note 5 AI security test. So for this I will show you the face security lock and the fingerprint lock are how fast. For more videos like Note 5 AI camera test, battery drain test, speed test, you can also subscribe this channel for more videos. I will give you those videos. Before to start this video, I remind you I just put some videos on my channel, new channel. You can subscribe and visit all those videos. If you want, you can watch the latest video of Xiaomi Note 5 AI unboxing on this channel. So just start the video. Before I start, I just must say I use this phone almost 3 to 4 months. This phone is just amazing. Its battery backup, camera and performance is too good. If you are thinking to buy this phone, I suggest you must go for it with official warranty, because sometimes you need to protect or you secure or must your smartphone. So just start the video. I'll just double click on it, wake up, and I'll just show you the fingerprint how fast. So I'll just touch on it and it's unlock. Click on lock, just double click, unlock, wake up. You can see just same nanosecond difference. Again lock. I don't want to wake up or don't need to wake up. Just touch on the fingerprint sensor. As you can see, just touch, unlock, just touch, unlock. It's very fast. Again, just phone is locked, 100% secure. Just touch on it, unlock. So the fingerprint sensor and master is very fast and very secure for you. If you want to also see the facial lock or face ID lock, I just show you that lock. I just click on double lock and my face is on it. So down lock, unlock. It's 2 second difference, 1 or 2 seconds. Just click on lock and down click on unlock and unlock, lock, unlock, again lock, unlock. Just 2 second difference, so it's very fast. Friends, again I will show you in the dark for better performance. If I close all the lights and now if I change the phone lock and click on unlock, it takes time sometimes in the dark situation, like 4 to 5 seconds or more. So again lock and 1 2 3 4 seconds, again lock 1 2 3 seconds. So in light situation the phone needs 1 or 2 seconds, and in the dark situation it needs 4 or 5 seconds. Sometimes in dark situation it could not work properly. So this is the phone of Xiaomi Note 5 AI. Thanks for watching, friends.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?